Struggling with an exercise bike that just won't budge when you try to ramp up the resistance? You're not alone. Whether it's a Dimasun, Yosuda, or Pubu, let's pedal through the fixes for when your indoor cycling session hits a snag. Resistance issues often stem from wear and tear, such as faulty parts or loose screws. But the most common culprit, a belt that's slipped or isn't tight enough, leaving you spinning without the burn. First, unplug your bike, safety first. Then remove the pedals with a wrench and open up the side to reveal the flywheel and belt. Adjust the tension by tweaking the nuts on the Eddie Idler bracket. If the belt's the issue, this should get you back in the resistance game. Next up, the display board. If your bike's brain isn't responding, it might be a simple case of dead batteries. Replace them, and you could be just a few button presses away from a hill climbing simulation. Stuck sensor? Whip out that hex wrench and remove the speed sensor. A little nudge here could free up your resistance levels. And don't forget, a well-lubricated gear can make all the difference. Use professional lube as directed for smooth cycling. To avoid future resistance roadblocks, keep your bike clean and lubricated, especially if it's friction resistance. A regular maintenance routine can save you from a workout woe. Remember, if your bike is still under warranty, check the terms before diving into DIY territory. But for those quick fixes and tweaks, this guide should have you adjusting resistance like a pro in no time. Keep this in mind, and your next indoor ride should be just the challenge you're looking for.